Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This a Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Jamaica Teachers Association JTA so them take the government wage offer and them give the Ministry for Finance until March for increase the pay and benefit them to all of them members. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF so them find more than 104 guns with people now have no license for between January 1 and February 5. The Rural Agriculture Development Authority RADA said the heavy rain them fall last week caused more than $76 million worth of damage. Waterhouse still lead the Jamaica Premier League JPL after them beat Portmore United 4-0 Sunday. Now for the full tour of them. The Jamaica Teachers Association JTA said them take the government wage offer and them give the Ministry for Finance until March for increase the pay and benefit to all of them members. 68% of the JTA member them vote Monday for take the 4% wage offer. On top of that, the teacher them are going to get a book and software allowance worth $40,000 a year time. Winston Smith, who are the president for the JTA, said the teacher them never satisfied with the offer, but them think are the best the government could have do right now. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF said them find more than 104 guns where people now have no license for between January 1 and February 5. These are the highest in 4 years. This go up from the 81 gun where them did find the same time last year and the 61 gun where them did find the same time in 2020. According to Dennis Brooks, who are the senior communication strategist for the JCF, the force put in some new things for find the gun them all across the country. The Rural Agricultural Development Authority RADA said the heavy rain them fall last week caused more than $76 million worth of damage. The rain did cause flooding in St. Ann, St. Mary and Portland, but St. Mary did get mashed up the most. The main crop them mash up are banana, vegetable, cassava, Irish potato, dasheen and yam. One team from the Agriculture Ministry, RADA and some other ministry did go in at the parish them for see how bad them did mash up. The Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch CTOC said the police woman who did in at the latter scam in Braadkyaas in America, them never did a look in her out here. She is 42 years old, Shillian Allen, and she in at the force for 18 years. Some U.S. Homeland Security lock her up when she reached Fort Lauderdale Friday. She get charged with wire fraud, mail fraud, and for involved in some drugs things. According to Homeland Security, them a watch her from 2020 and she didn't come in America every minute. Police charge one 28 years old man for kill one another man in the Montego Bay bus park in St. James last month. The man a Davian Edwards who come from Newport Street in St. Catherine. Them same stab and kill Damian Shaw who come from one Spanish town St. Catherine address. According to the police report, the two men did have one Braadkyaas in the bus park on January 28 and Edwards used one knife stab Shaw. Him did run away but the police catch him. Now for sports. Waterhouse still lead the Jamaica Premier League JPL after them beat Portmore United 4-0 Sunday. Cardell Benbow scored 2 times and helped seal the win for Waterhouse. On top of that, Mount Pleasant beat Montego Bay United 4-0 yesterday. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.